This is a little mini game we like to call Name That. In this case, clowns.
Oh.
Players, in a moment, I'm going to show you a clown. You buzz in and name that clown for me. Make sense?
Okay.
Clown number one.
The hands! Oh, God, it has two faces. Sorry.
Josh.
Mr. and Mrs. Gobbles.
I like that a lot, Josh. Zach.
Backery.
Brennan.
David.
David, I guess, isn't a true palindrome.
Divad.
Josh, I think that goes to you for Mr. and Mrs. Goggles. Okay. Thank you so much, clown number one. And if I could please have clown number two. Brennan.
Fuzz Aldrin.
That's pretty good, Brennan. Brennan.
Banana Peel Armstrong.
I am going to say this one goes to Brennan for one of his props, if not the other. If I could please have clown number three.
Oh!
Holy shit. Oh, Josh.
Uncle Dad.
So,
That's real good. Josh again.
Tank Top Circus. Like Big Top.
Oh, really good. Like that, Josh. Thanks for explaining.
No problem.
The clown keeps looking directly
I know,
at me
it's
in a way
seen
that's,
through.
Zach.
shit.
Shit.
Like
Shit
it.
the clown. Please, that's, oh my God, that's.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Shit.
Josh has responded to nothing in
my God.
years of making the show
Oh my
as much
God.
as this.
No, shit the clown really got me.
I'm
God,
gonna
that
say
sucks.
that this goes to Zach
Yes,
for
yes.
shit.
Wow.
I should have said
the
Stephen
clown.
King's shit.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, brilliant. Fuck.
Wow.
Fucking God.